Now let's get some summary statistics in Enterprise Guide. I'll take my juice data file, drag that onto the process flow in Enterprise Guide. It's going to import for us. Our summary statistics are under the Describe pull-down button here. You can play around with the summary statistics wizard if you like, but I'm going to summary statistics here. Volume is my variable that I want to analyze. I'll drag that across for analysis variables. I'm going to jump down here to statistics basic, and it's going to come with some of these statistics pre-populated: the mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. These, and also number of observations. These are typically our most important basic statistics, summary statistics to calculate. I'm going to add a couple more. I'm going to get the range, which is of course just the difference between minimum and maximum, but I find handy to have. And the number of missing values, just to check if there are any missing values in our data set. Alright, let's hit run and look at our output. Just a small amount of output. We've got the average fill for each of these nozzles, 999.592 mils, standard deviation 0.97. These should match up with what we saw in SAS and the data analysis summary statistics. Over here, notice we've got no missing data. This is great. There's one really nice advantage that Enterprise Guide has over Excel, which is if I go back here and run this, get back to our data set, we've got this third column that we haven't been using so far, the nozzle. As we scroll down, eventually we get into nozzle number 2 and nozzle number 3. We might be interested in whether these nozzles seem to be filling the juice containers the same or not. So let's check that out with some descriptive statistics. We'll go describe summary statistics again. Volume is our analysis variable. And now we're going to introduce a classification variable. This is going to perform our analysis on each of the 3 nozzles in turn. We'll select the same statistics under our statistics tab, hit run, and now we're going to get 3 rows of descriptive statistics. One for each nozzle, 100 observations for each nozzle, none missing from each nozzle. Looks like each of the means is pretty similar, 999.6 or so. Standard deviation's also pretty similar, somewhere around 1, maybe a little bit smaller for nozzle 2 than for the others.